On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the cheapest traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly and it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a CPA group account. If you don't want CPA group, you can create an account on Max Bounty, OGRs, CPA Build, or any CPA network that you know. In this case, we are using CPA group. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on this platform that you can promote. Some of them your potential visitors are required to enter their email and zip, and you are going to be paid a commission. You can see it right here. Some of the offers your potential visitors have to enter their credit card details so that you can be paid. Others, you have to get people to install a mobile app so that you can be paid. So all these offers, any of them that you want, you can promote it. If you promote an offer that is email and zip submit, you are likely to get many people who enter their details for you to get paid. If you promote an offer that requires credit card submit, you might not get a lot of people to enter their details for you to get paid. So most people are afraid to enter their credit card details because of scams. So you have to promote offers that are easy for your potential visitors to enter their details for you to get paid. If you select mobile install, most people are not willing to install apps on their phone, so you might not get a lot of people to install the app for you to make money. So make sure you always select email or zip submit so that you can get a lot of people to enter their details. As a school, you can see many offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them that you can promote to get people to enter their details for you to make money. Some of them even requires pin submit. You can see this offer right here. So if you get people to click on your affiliate link and then enter a pin, you are going to be paid. One good thing about CPA offers is that you don't need people to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter their details for you to get paid. You can see a lot of different offers, but CPA offers are geo-specific, so you are not allowed to promote the offers to any country that you want. Each of the offers that you are seeing, you have to promote it to a specific country where it is allowed. You can see all these offers that you are seeing on your screen. You have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom. So before you select an offer, you have to first of all get to know whether you can get traffic from that country before you select the offer. If you select an offer where you can get traffic from the country where it is allowed, you are not going to be making money. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on it, search for the country that you have a traffic source so that you can find offers to promote. You can see a lot of different countries. As a school, you can see many different countries that you can find offers to promote. In this case, I'm going to be promoting offers in Canada, so you have to type Canada here so that you can find the offers. Just type CA. Once you type it, you can see right here Canada. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. You can see the first one, you are going to be earning $12.83, and the requirement is pin submit. The second one is pin submit, and the payout is $12.83. The second one and the first one is the same offer, but the difference is that they are allowed on different devices. You can see the first one is allowed on Android, the second one is allowed on desktop. As a school, you can see the third one, it is allowed on Apple iOS. It is the same offer, but the devices that it is allowed on are different. You can see first one, second one, third one. They are all the same offer. If you scroll down, there are many other offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them, but all the offers, the payouts are low. So what you have to do is that you have to select the one with a higher payout. In this case, I'm going to select the first one since it has a higher payout. You can see the title is grab your back to school gift card now. So if you get people to submit their PIN to get access to back to school gift card, you are going to be paid $12.83. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to verify with their PayPal account so that you can get paid. They don't need to buy anything. Now once you have selected the offer, the next step is that you are going to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see this is the payout. You can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed on Android in Canada. You can see it right here. You can see verify with your PayPal. That is the instruction. So people have to verify with their PayPal before they can get the chance to win the back to school gift card. Once they do so, you are going to be paid $12.83. They don't need to win the prize before you earn. If they enter their details, whether they win or not, you are going to be paid. So now once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on it and then enter their details so that you can get paid. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to your affiliate link. You can use paid traffic source or you can use a free traffic source. In this case, I'm going to show you a very cheap paid traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details for you to get paid. Now the next step is that you are going to come on Google and then search for PopCash. Once you search for it, you can see popcash.net. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the website. You can see right here they have publishers and advertisers. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be an advertiser on this website so that you can promote our affiliate link to people who live in Canada. As you can see on SimilarWeb, the website gets up to 12 million visits every month. You can see it right here. You can see the name popcast.net. It gets up to 12 million visits every month. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can use the website to get people who live in Canada to click on your link and then enter their details for you to get paid. To create an account, you are going to click right here, register. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your username, enter your full name, email address, confirm your email address, enter your password, repeat your password, enter your company name, select your country, enter your phone number if you want. If you don't want, you don't have to enter your phone number. Once that is done, you are going to enter your social media ID. So just click on it and then select the social media network that you are using. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I have read and agree with the terms and conditions. Once that is done, click on register so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. You can see the dashboard. We have available balance. You can see referral earning, lifetime earning, last cash out. On this website, you can either decide to be an affiliate or you can be an advertiser. So this dashboard is for affiliates. This one is also for affiliates and this is for advertisers. So if you have deposited money into the website, your balance is going to appear right here. You can see the publishers, that is the affiliates. They can add their website right here. Once they enter their website, anytime this website serve ads on their website and they get their visitors to click on the ads, they are going to be paid by this website. But in this case, we are not a publisher or affiliate. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to advertise our affiliate link on the platform. So scroll down and then come right here, advertiser. Once you are on advertiser, click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you can see everything is very simple. So even if you're a beginner, you can use this platform. The first step is that you are going to enter the name of your campaign. So just type back to school, back to school. Once you give a name to your campaign, you can see landing URL. So you have to paste your affiliate link right here. Click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to enter your budget. So enter any amount that you want to spend on your ad. In this case, I'm going to enter 100. So just enter any figure here. Once that is done, you're going to select the daily budget. How much are you willing to spend on your ad daily? So just enter any amount that you want. In this case, I'm going to enter $5. Once that is done, you can see pricing, the bite. How much are you willing to pay per 1,000 visits? You can see CPM. So how much are you willing to pay for 1,000 visits? In this case, I'm willing to pay 50 cents per 1,000 visits. So you have to enter the amount right here. Just enter 0.0005. As you can see, this is the amount. Make sure you enter this amount and it's going to appear like this. 50 cents. That is the amount that I'm willing to pay per every 1,000 visits. If 1,000 people see my ad, I'm going to pay 50 cents for that. You can see this website, the traffic is very cheap. 1,000 visits or 50 cents. If you want, you can increase it. It is based on what you want. So you can say 80 cents, you can put it 90 cents. It depends on how much you are willing to pay. The traffic is very cheap, so you have to decide the amount that you want. If you enter it too low, you are not going to be getting traffic. So make sure you make it average so that it shouldn't be too low, it shouldn't be too high. so just make it agreed. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see frequency cap. How many times do you want a visitor to see your ad within 24 hours? If you want a person to see your ad once in 24 hours, you are going to enter 1 here. If you want them to see it twice in 24 hours, you can enter it here. In this case, I want them to see it twice in 24 hours. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see blank referral, just leave everything. You can see adult, no, just leave everything. You can see gambling, no. You can see software, no. You can see please make sure you select all types of content that are present on your landing page. Our landing page does not contain adult content, so no. Gambling, I think yes, because our people have to win a prize, so just select that yes. Once that is done, you can see sound, software, so you can just select all of them, just select them. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see after approval what should happen to your campaign. We want our campaign to start immediately after approval. We don't want to log in and then start it again. We want it to automatically start, so you have to leave it like this, start campaign. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see countries. You have to select the country where the offer is allowed. You can see it is currently on all countries, meaning your ad is going to be saved to all countries in the world, but that is not what we want. So you have to come right here, click on selected countries. Once you click on that, you are going to scroll down and then select the country where the offer is allowed. So in this case, the offer is allowed in Canada, so search for Canada. You can see Canada right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on this blue icon so that it will be selected here. So click on it. You can see Canada has been selected. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to select the career. So click on it. You are going to click right here and then select the career. In this case, there's no restriction, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see categories. Click on it. Once you click on it, it is on all categories. You have to click on selected categories. Once you click on that, you can select any category that you want. You can see a lot of different categories that you can select. You can see all of them. You can select all the categories. We just want people to see our ad and then click on it, so just leave it like this. So make sure you select all categories. Once that is done, you can see devices. Click on it and then select selected devices. Once you click on that, you are going to scroll down. The offer is allowed on mobile device, so you are going to select mobile. Click on the green box and it will appear right here. Once that is done, you are going to select tablet. Click right here and it will appear right here. As you can see, that has been done, so just click on selected all. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to select the operating system, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see all operating system. In this case, we are going to select Android, so click on selected operating system. Once that is done, you can see Android. Click on it. Once you select Android, click on it so that it will appear right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see browsers. Click on it. Once you click on it, it is allowed on all browsers, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see languages. Click on it. Once you click on it, click right here, selected languages. Once that is done, you're going to search for English, because people who live in Canada speak English, so you have to select English. You can see it right here, Canada English. Select that, click on it so that it will appear right here. Once that is done, some people in Canada speak French, so you are going to search for French. Search for French. Once you search for it, you can see Canada French. Click right here so that it will appear right here. Once you enter all the details, the next step is that you're going to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on it, you can see in order to create a campaign, you need to deposit funds into your account. So you have to deposit money into your account before you can create your ad. So make sure you deposit money. To deposit money, just click right here, go to deposit page. Once you are on the deposit page, you can select your method of payment and then deposit money into your accounts. You can see they have a lot of different methods of payment that you can select. If you want PayPal, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the minimum amount right here, only $5. So this website is one of the best because the minimum deposit is very low. If you select credit card, Visa, you can see once you select it, when you scroll down, you can see the minimum deposit is $5. If you select Pioneer, the minimum deposit is $50. Just select any method of payment that you want. For example, if you select the Visa card, what you have to do is that you have to enter the amount right here. Just enter your $5 or any amount that you want to deposit. Once that is done, you're going to click right here, deposit. Once you click on it, you're going to enter your card details so that your money can be deposited into your accounts. Once you deposit the money, you can create your ad, get people who live in Canada to click on your link, and then take the action for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. Apart from making money with CPA marketing, there's another way that you can use to make money from home. You can create and sell digital products online to make money from home. You can create your own product, price it at any amount that you want, and then sell it. If you want to learn how to create a digital product, just click on this link at the description of this video so that you can get access to my ebook that will show you step by step on how to create and sell digital products. So just click on the link. Once you click on the link, you are going to see the book like this. I've decided to decrease the price for my viewers, so make sure you take action now before I increase it. Again, you can see this is the original price, but I have decreased it to $2.49. This price will not last. Within some time, I'm going to increase it to the original price. So make sure you take action now so that you can be part of those who have the privilege to download it at a cheaper cost. So just click on download now. Once you click on download now, you are going to enter your payment method so that you can get access to the book. That is how best I can help you to make money from home. So make sure you go and take action now so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.